We're looking at a new feature right now from ChatGPT, which is called ChatGPT Work. You're going to be able to download this application on your Windows computer or Mac OS. We're going to be doing the Windows version. We're going to be clicking on the download button over here, and it's going to take us over to the download section. And this is where you can get the Mac OS or the Windows version. We're going to go ahead and click on the Windows version over here, and it's going to download onto our computer. One thing to note is there's also a mobile app that you can install on your phone, and you can delegate tasks for ChatGPT Work right from your phone. So it's a really good option to have. I thought I'd mention it. We're going to go ahead and now install the application. And it's going to start downloading the components and installing it on your computer. If you use Claude for Windows, this is going to actually be very similar. Even the presentation of it is going to be very similar. ChatGPT is now installed on our Windows desktop. We can continue and sign in. So we're going to go ahead and sign in right now. So just open up my browser. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Click on continue. So it's going to ask you to personalize your desktop. If you want to go ahead and do that, you can do that right now. If you have a very specific purpose for that, it's definitely going to be recommended to use that, but you can skip this for now. So now we have the option to import other AI apps that you might already have. I have Claude over here. I can go ahead and import that, or I can just turn these features off and not use anything at all. So I'm going to skip that. We're at our Windows 11 desktop. We've just installed ChatGPT Work. We have the option to go ahead and try out ChatGPT 5.6 Soul right now. If you've used Claude for Windows, this is going to be very similar. What you can do is add project files and give access to local files on your desktop, which will allow it to be more integrated into your work style versus just using a browser. So you can go over here and click on a new project. You can start from scratch and create a new project. You can go ahead and add some skills in here. And we have our new project folder over here. And then you can go ahead and start adding files and folders and integrate it into your workflow. If you're looking for more videos on how to use this in depth, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. This video is how to install it. And we've just installed ChatGPT Work on a Windows 11 PC. Please smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you on the next one.